Okay class, first we start with preparing A4 size calico. Okay, you cut from the A4 size measurement, same measurement as A4 size paper. Okay, and then you iron it well. After you iron, you start doing measurement. Okay, now we're going to do the knife pleat. Okay, just now we did box pleat, now we're going to do the knife pleat. So for the knife pleat, our measurement should be the same. Okay, so when I say the same means, okay, when I say the measurement is same means, let's say if you are measuring like half inch, okay, let's say it's like you're measuring half inch. Okay, you just draw half inch, half inch, half inch. Okay, so just now I already prepared one. Okay, so I've already draw all the half inch out. Okay, so after I get the half inch, what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to fold and iron them. Okay, alright, so you see I started my half inch here. Okay, let's say this is my line, and I can use this as dotted line if I want to. Okay, and then the third line I can use it as a normal line. Okay, and then I get another. Okay, alright, and then I get another dotted line here, because these lines are folded inside. I'll explain what is folded inside. Okay, see, you can see my dotted line, correct? Just now I already draw all the lines already. Okay, so I'm just want to make it as a dotted line here, a dash line. Okay, once I have this dash line, I know this dash line are folded inside. Folded inside means they will be inside. Okay, so this side there's not enough fabric, so I'm just gonna stop here. Okay, so you see this part, the first fabric, I'm gonna fold upward, and this one goes inward. Okay, it's folded inwards, and this one goes upward, folded inward, upward, folded inward, upward, folded inward. Okay, and it's folded like this. Okay, once I'm done, iron it nicely. Okay, all right, let me get the iron. So once I finish ironing them, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pin my pleats. Okay, before I pin my pleats, of course I need to draw a line to draw the seam allowance. Okay, so basically this line, straight line, this is seam allowance, so 1.5 cm seam allowance. Okay, so after that I just draw one line. Once I'm done with the line, I pin my pleats up, so that when I'm sewing, my pleats don't open up or they don't run. Okay, alright. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'm going to bring this to my sewing machine. I'm going to sew this line. Okay, now I put my fabric in the machine. Okay, and then I want my lines to be straight, so I put in between this foot. Okay, now I'm going to start sewing. Remember, whatever line is it you're sewing, you're going to begin with reverse stitch. So I'm going to have this reverse stitch, and then I'm going to start sewing. I'm going to remove my pin one by one when I'm sewing. Okay, and then when I'm here, I'm finished. So when I'm finished, of course I have to end with reverse stitch as well. Alright, and then I get this. Remember to take the needle up, all the threads. I'm gonna cut it, so in the end you get something like this, knife pleat. Let's brighten this up. Okay, I get knife pleat. So if you see, these are the lines. You see the dash line I folded inside. You can't see the dash line outside. The dash line are folded inside. So, okay. So now when I turn it around, you see, you can obviously see that the box pleat, the knife pleat goes in one direction only. Remember, okay, when you're done, label your pleat with masking tape. What pleat is this? Knife pleat. Okay. Label them.